Hey kids, so today we are going to learn how to use fantasy box. This line has taught us learning is more interactive when we involve the child. Fantasy box gives parents opportunity to get involved in their child's learning, to give children exposure to technology and to make children digitally responsible. Let's understand the fantasy box.
Hello everyone.
This is a part of your child kit. So kindly remove this from your child kit box. In this box you will have set of 30 cards. Each card is printed both the sides. One side of the card you will have literacy time and the reverse side you will have the concept time printed. To scan this card you will have to follow the steps. Go to the screen and search the Play Store. Here is the logo of Play Store, so you can just touch the Play Store app and type Fantasy Box app here. Now search the app. So as you see, this is the logo of Fantasy Box. So I have already downloaded this app for you all. You need to open this app. Just keep this app in your phone. Now just minimize the screen and open the Kidzee app. This is the logo of Kidzee app as you see in the screen. So this is the logo. So for this you need a user ID and password. Touch the Kidzee app and you will get this kind of interface. Now touch the three lines and here you can see the second point, that is Fantasy Box. Both the apps are interconnected. As you see in the screen, the Fantasy Box has directly opened. If you log in with the first time, it will say that to download the Fantasy Box. So here you can get 6 culmination. As we know, our culmination has divided into 6 culminations. So as per your choice, you can just select the culmination. So I have select culmination 1. Touch any culmination, you will get this kind of intersurface. Here you can see literacy time and concept time. As I explained you earlier, each card has printed both the sides. One side of card you will get literacy time and reverse side you will have the concept time. When you touch any concept time or literacy time, so you will get this kind of intersurface again. So that just touch OK and the Fantasy Box has started. Right now I have Junior KG Fantasy Box kits. So let's see how we can explore the Fantasy Box.
And if you touch the alligator, this is how it will start moving. While doing this activity, make sure that the screen doesn't go off the card. Okay. Now if you want to listen, so there are two. There is the top onto the left right hand side. If you can see, there is an play button. If you click on play button, there will be an action movement. And if you click on the sound button, you will be able to listen to a falling sound. Okay. Now you're done with this card. You want to go to the next card. So get your letter B ready. Okay. Now just remove this card and get in letter B.
B for bat. I like to play cricket with this bat.
Now touch the B. Action. Now, what if you want to go to the concept time? So for that, on the top left, you can see a backward arrow button. Click on that. It will take you to concept time. So to use concept time, you have to reverse the card. So after clicking on concept time, again click on the message OK.
I'm happy.
Now you can
Tap me
see
to make me happier.
the concept time. After scanning the concept time, you have this emojis. When you click on these, you can see certain actions happening. Okay, now in this card there are 4 emotions, smileys which are there. Okay, so to change to another one, you have to just take the camera screen away from the card and get it back to the card. So this is the second emoji.
Just tap me.
To go to third, again take off from the card and get it back to the card.
Hello, I am scared.
So if you can see, you tilt a little, if you can see the emotions changing. Okay. Now we're done with the first card. Suppose we want to go to the second card. So keep your second card ready. Okay. And
This is a building. This building has many flats. Most nuclear families live here.
tap on the building. There's no.
This is bungalow.
So
Most of the joint families live here.
Entire picture.
I hope you like the video. Just subscribe my channel for more videos. Keep connected with us. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.